Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. For that you need to launch your Cryptomania mobile application and then you need to just log in into your account. Now before proceeding to the steps of withdrawing money from Cryptomania, you need to understand and know what actually the Cryptomania mobile application is and how it works. So basically Cryptomania mobile application is a platform on which you can start or basically practice trading without actually using the real money. It will give you the funding and you can use that funding in order to buy and sell or in order to make trades before you actually putting your real money into it. For that, you need to just tap on the market tab in the bottom, and in the top you will be able to see your available balance, which in my case I have 3k balance. So it is completely a demo balance and it is a complete demo account. So if you want to buy or sell, then you just have to tap on the buy sell option, and as per your trade experience you can start using this application. So as I said before, the Cryptomania application is only a platform that gives you some demo money, and you can use that demo money in order to buy and sell and in order to make trades on it. So if you want to withdraw it, then unfortunately it is not possible because we don't have our real money in Cryptomania. So subsequently we cannot withdraw that money into our bank account or in any other payment method. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.